Okay, so this was the fourth video, I think, fourth video of Andhra Pradesh APGK related to APPSC and previous year questions. So moving to the next, the transportation and communication. There are a lot of the uh, troubles behind me because the what do they say? Okay, you can manage this background tones. Really sorry for this. Okay. Okay, the first question was the length of the national highway in Andhra Pradesh. What the total length of the national highway? So highway total length was total length was 4913 kilometer. 4913 kilometer, and the number of the national highways passed through the state of the Andhra Pradesh. What the number? So number was 24. The number was 24. The total length of the state highway in Andhra Pradesh is state highway. You're asking about the state highway. State highway 6485, 6485 kilometer. Okay. The answer was you can guess this answer. I'm going directly with the answer. So answer was C. Okay. The South Central Railway has the headquarter at South Central headquarter at Sikandrabad. Sikandrabad. Yes, Sikandrabad. Okay, the total length of the railway lines in state of the Andhra Pradesh is total railway lines. Okay, total railway lines. So I think total railway lines of this Andhra Pradesh was 445 kilometer. 446. Here is given as 446 kilometer. Okay, so answer was A. Okay, the question was 6 number C. So the which railway is an R operation in the state. So asking about the operational railway zone. So you know about the the operating state was the. So you know about the six number of question is very important because the is the combination of this all railways like a South Central Railway, okay, South East Railway, and Southern Railway. Southern Railway and Southern Coastal Railway, South Coastal Railway. So it's not here given. So answer was all of these. Okay. So Andhra Pradesh has airport for the internal flight is. You know about the Shamsabad and Vijayawada. Okay, Shamsabad and Vijayawada. So what the answer? Tirupati not related. Tirupati in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tirupati airport. So Andhra Pradesh has airport for the internal flights in. So internal flight in uh, Shamsabad and the Vijayawada. So answer was both. No. Shamsabad outside. Okay, sorry. I'm really sorry. Shamsabad outside the not related to the airport. It was the Tirupati. Yeah, I'm sorry. Tirupati and Vijayawada. Sorry, I'm forward for this. I'm going to the discuss Andhra Pradesh. Sorry. I'm just sorry. So Tirupati and Vijayawada. So both B and C has one sense. So Andhra Pradesh has coastline of almost. You know, almost coastal line was 974 kilometer. So the exact data was 974, but he's given almost 1000 kilometer. So answer was or A 1000 kilometer. So for okay, ninth was the Bhavna Padu port. Bhavna Padu port was located in located in the Sri Kakulam. Sri Kakulam. Sri Kakulam. Okay, so one of the famous port is Narsapur port is located on. So Narsapur port is located in West Godavari. Located in West Godavari. So answer was B. Answer was B. And here is D, and here A is D, and also is D. Okay. So this is the 10th important question of this. Here is the 10th question is repeatedly several examination. So don't forget to the skip this. Sorry, don't forget to tackle the. Don't forget to what I'm saying. So next was tourism. So next was tourism. So Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department Corporation of the state government undertaking was incorporated in. What does say? What do you see here? Incorporated in tourism. Yeah. Tourism incorporated in, about the 1966, 1976. Okay, the internal kite festival in Andhra Pradesh is organized at the Hyderabad. Organized at Hyderabad. So answer was D. So where is the Bisakha Utsav Rishikonda Beach Festival organized in Visakhapatnam? So answer was C. Okay, so Deccan Festival in Andhra Pradesh organized at Andhra Pradesh organized by Hyderabad. Answer was B. Answer was B. Okay, so fifth was the where is the Satwahan festival organized? Satvahana festival was organized. Is organized at Amravati. So the in ancient period the Satvahana dynasty, the capital of Satvahana dynasty was Amravati. So that's why the Telangana capital become Hyderabad, and Andhra Pradesh become the capital and the Amravati. Okay, the Venkateswara temple at Tirupati is located of district of the district's name as Chittoor. District name is Chittoor. Okay, the Lepakshi temple. The Lepakshi temple is Lepakshi temple located in Anandpur. Lepakshi temple located in Anandpur. So answer was A. Here is B, C, A. Here is C. And here is A. So next, the Chandragiri was headquarter of the Chandragiri headquarter of East Godavari. East Godavari. So answer was B. So answer was B. 9. No, 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 no. Okay, Chandragiri was headquarter of Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, Vijayanagar Empire, and the rock-cut Jain cave found in Anantapur. Rock-cut Jain cave found in Anantapur. Okay, so answer was here C, and here B. And Bodh Sri Archaeological Museum is located in Bodh Sri Archaeological Museum located in located in Guntur district. Located in Guntur district. So answer was D. So answer was D. Okay, so last was is the famous personality of the Andhra Pradesh, and he asked us the number of time in the examination. So move this thing. So famous personality. After this famous personality, we checked the governance and administration, and then end this lecture. Okay. So famous personality I am discussed. So the Telugu personality which prepared the design of the national flag, which later adopted the national flag with some changes. So the about name was the name was Pingli. Yes, here Pingli Benkia. Okay. So second one is the Telugu personality who has known as the title Desh Bhakta. Title, what the title? Desh Bhakta. So Desh Bhakta, his name was Kondka Venkatapaya. Okay. Kunda Venkatapaya. Okay, third, the first poet to translate Mahabharata in Telugu. Mahabharata in Telugu. So name was Nanya. Name was Nanya. Okay, fourth was who was the following well-known Telugu poets have known as the quote by the Peda Komti Barmiledi. Fourth name was Kavishwara Bhanu Srinath. Kavishwar Bhauma Srinath. Kabishwar Bhaum Srinath. Oh, sorry. Kabi Sarvabhaum Srinath. Okay. Kabi Sarvabhaum Srinath. So answer was B. Okay. So here's famous personality again. The famous drama Kane Sulkam was written by Gurjada Aprao. So answer was A. Okay, who was the awarded the title of the Kalyug Bhim? Kalyug Bhim is idolized the Kodi Ramurti. Ramurti. Seventh was who was the famous revolutionary involved in Indian independent movement. The name was the famous personality name was Alluri Sitarama Raju. Okay, Alluri Sitaram Raju. And number eight. So here the answer was C, B, and eight. The who led the Hyderabad rebellion? Who led the Hyderabad liberation? Okay, who led the Hyderabad liberation struggle during the region of the Usman Ali Khan? Okay, Usman Ali Khan. The name was Swami Ramanand Tirth. Swami Ramanand Tirth. So answer was A. And nine number was who among the following is known as the father of modern art? So name was N. Gopala Rao. So answer was A. And tenth, the first elected chief minister of the Earthside Hyderabad state was named as tenth was D. You know the B. Ramakrishna Rao. So answer was D. B. Ramakrishna Rao. Okay, so let's discuss last point: administration and governance of this Andhra Pradesh. Administration and governance of this Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so you know the how many districts of the Andhra Pradesh? Yes, 13 districts. Very good. 13 districts of the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so second one, who is the governor of the Andhra Pradesh? So I'm going to skip this because time to time changes. So not going to discuss who is the chief minister of the Andhra Pradesh. Chief minister of this Andhra Pradesh, you know. Yeah, good, very good. D. Chandrababu Naidu. Okay, and the fourth one, the who was the first prime minister from the Andhra Pradesh? First prime minister from the Andhra Pradesh. Yes, first prime minister of Andhra Pradesh. You know, no? P.V. Narasimha. And the fifth was the who led the Kuwait as the government of the Andhra Pradesh after the CD featuring him. After CD featuring him, so remember this name was Narayan Dutt Tiwari. Okay, Nagari as the municipal town from which districts? Which districts? So district's name was C. Chittoor district. So answer was C. Chittoor district. Okay, so seven, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, known as GHMC, was established in 2007. 2007, and who became Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh in 1983. 1983. His name was NTR. His name was NTR, and option was C. And nine, the first Dalit Chief Minister of the Andhra Pradesh was name was Dalit Chief Minister name was D. Sanjeeva. D. Sanjeeva. And last question of the series was the Andhra Pradesh government. The Atpadu Bandhu scheme was known as you know the accident insurance scheme for the people belonging for the poverty line. Okay, so answer was C. So this was the almost seven talked repeated question of the several examination, almost 3 for 150. Okay, and each segment like soils. So don't forget for the watch the all series of this Andhra Pradesh general knowledge